The Ferrari Purosangue gets a wide and loud makeover, sounding like an F1 single-seater because of Novitec. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where Novitec returns to work on the Ferrari Purosangue with a new wide body interpretation, and the result is called the Esteso kit. Now, even if the style of the wheel arches is radically changed, which now adds 6 centimeters of width to the model, you can evaluate the aesthetic work as a whole as a soft tuning. This at least compared to other elaborations on the theme made by different brands like Mansory. Now, even if the Million SUV, due to its misalignment with tradition, suffers less than other cars of the prancing horse from interventions of this kind, well, the notes of the blasphemy remain. All the work born in the temple of the Maranello deserves a sacred respect, none excluded. The aim of the interventions was to give the car a more muscular look, to make the car even more exclusive. It is clear that the target is not represented by those who want to brutally place themselves at the center of the scene, accepting everything that can attract attention, even if it lacks the slightest connection with the theme of class. Now, the custom components developed for the body of this Ferrari Purosangue can be ordered in carbon fiber with an exposed structure and high gloss surface finishes, or in pure run plastic. Now, that can be painted in the vehicle color or in a contrasting color. The best solution, obviously, is the first, both in terms of quality and aesthetics. Now, the style of the wheels are also changed, 22 and 23 inches, custom developed in collaboration with Boston Wheels here in America. 3 options are offered to customers to choose from, and as said, the width of the model has increased by 6 centimeters, and the tracks also have become wider. The Novitec side sails give the Purosangue a lower visual position and create a better transition with the wider wheel arches. The Esteso package, being a complete tuning kit, could not be limited to the exterior. It is therefore not surprising that the passenger compartment has undergone some significant changes. In practice, the interiors in the product we are dealing with can be made in any desired colors. Various style configurations are available. Now, on the mechanical front, Purosangue is powered by a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12, generating 715 horsepower, 533 kilowatts from the Maranello factory. However, Novitec's exhaust with sports catalyst can boost the V12's output up to 746 horsepower, 556 kilowatts of power without messing with the internals. Any aftermarket exhaust can be made of stainless steel or Inconel with the optional 999 fine gold plating and slightly tweaked looks for the quad tailpipes. Customers can order it with the actively controlled butterfly valves, allowing them to choose the right sound decibels for the occasion. Now, to make the front view even more aggressive, the front hood of the Ferrari Purosangue can be implemented with composite elements molded in exposed carbon fiber. Alternatively, a completely new hood of this material is also available. To improve handling, the center of gravity has been lowered, reducing the ride height by 25 millimeters thanks to custom sport springs. And you can find all the available parts for the Ferrari Purosangue on Novitec's official website, but the only missing piece of information is pricing, meaning that interested parties will have to contact the tuner for a quote. The rest of us can just see what it looks like here on today's video. But with that said, what do you guys think about the Ferrari Purosangue tuned by Novitec? Is it classy? Is it the best way to go if you don't want to be gaudy? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video today, well, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys check the links in the description if you want to help further support your channel. I appreciate the extra love that you guys show. Thank you so much. You guys can also subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace.